In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in an Odoo website. We'll be creating an image slider using Common Ninja, then embedding it directly into your Odoo site. This is a simple way to make your website look more dynamic and visually engaging, especially if you want to highlight products, promotions, or featured content. To begin, open your browser and search for Common Ninja. From the search results, click the Common Ninja website, then head over to the widget section. Once you're there, look for the image slider widget and open it. On the image slider page, click Create Widget for free to start building your slider. Inside the editor, you'll see the default images already added. Click on the first image to open its settings, then choose the option to replace the image. Select the image you want to use from your media library, and after choosing it, click Use Media to confirm. If needed, you can also rename the image to keep your slider organized, especially if you're planning to manage several slides later on. Continue repeating the same process for the other images in the slider so each one matches the content you want to display. If you want to include more slides, you can also add additional images here. This gives you flexibility to build a slider that fits your design and message. Once all your images are in place and everything looks good, click Save Changes. After saving, go back to the home area of your Common Ninja dashboard. Find your widget and click the option to add it to your website. Then click Copy Code. This will copy the embed code you'll need for Odoo, so keep it ready in your clipboard. Now switch over to your Odoo website. Open the website section and click Edit to begin customizing the page where you want the slider to appear. From the available building blocks, drag and drop the embed code block into the section of the page where you want the slider displayed. Once the block is added, click Edit on that embed area, then paste the code you copied from Common Ninja. After pasting it, click Save to apply the embed code. Then click Save again on the Odoo page editor to publish your changes. At this point, your slider should now appear on your website. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the images in Common Ninja, then update the widget as needed, and that's how to add a slider in an Odoo website.